back to my channel. It's Aditi Sharma after so long. So by seeing the title you have been known that this video is going to all about how you can click your picture at home by yourself without taking the help of any other person. Also in this video I'm also going to talk about your outfit and makeup. Hope that helpful for you all. In this video I'm going to share with you all a backdrop. How can you create your background for clicking a picture? In this video I have shared with you all 5 props which you all can use while clicking your picture, and trust me, it's going to look amazing. Hope this video is helpful for you all and also find interesting. And yes, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So in first photo shoot I wanted to create this picture by just using any statement sleeve, and also I wanted that all the things would be in a single color like backdrop and outfit. So keeping this thought in mind, I have choose the white backdrop for which I have used a plain bed sheet. So for this photo shoot I think sleeves plays an important role because I have just used a sleeve and nothing else. So I was not having any statement sleeve top or suit like this in white colors. So here is the hack how you can make your sleeve statement without buying any other thing. Luckily I was having a white plazo with me जो कि मेरे outfit and backdrop से match कर गया, so I was lucky in that. So what have I done with this plazo? Like this and this I just wore like this. एक side एक side, तो इससे you can get your statement sleeve. So this is the hack and you can definitely try out this. And trust me, it's gonna be helpful. Done a makeup creatively, like I have used a pearl here. So yes, let's click the picture. Self-portrait, I have used a rose as a prop. I'm damn sure you all have one rose, and if you don't, you have a artificial flower, so you can also use it as a prop. So for this I have again made the backdrop of all the plain bed sheet and wore the black dress because I feel like black and red combination looks better and it's my personal favorite, so I tried out that. And yes, now I have clicked some picture. अच्छा लग रहा हो. So please subscribe it for more such video and also don't forget to like it. So coming to the third one. So for this my prop is, any guesses? So let me tell you. So for this picture I have used the prop lace. I think everyone have at least one lace in their wardrobe. So for this I kept my outfit pink and backdrop pink and lace pink. And also I have done the same makeup which I have done for that white one which you have seen the first one. So let's click the third picture. Here you go. Picture. So for this time I have used a chair. I have tried to click my picture with the help of chair. Also for this I have just used a plain bed sheet. I think I have used everywhere plain bed sheet. So yeah, what have I done? What have I done? I can't explain. You can check out here. If you like this video, then don't forget to like this video and also subscribe for more such videos. Coming back to last but not the least. So for this clicking a picture, what have I used? Just a saree and a plain backdrop. And this picture I have uploaded on my Instagram and you guys seems to love that. So I thought why not include this photo shoot on my YouTube video. So here it go. You can check out that. This video and also helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, also subscribe and share this to your friend. It would mean a lot to me. Also don't forget to check out my other two videos on self-portrait here, and also please subscribe here. It would mean a lot to me. Till then, bye guys and see you in my next video.